Alright, so we're going to show you how to set the clock on a 2012 Camaro. I would assume this would apply to many different Camaro models of the first gen lookalike generation here. So here we go. You can see you just go to that basically, and now you need to go and I'll show you how to fix it back. We messed it up on purpose for the sake of the video. So it's 1:46 p.m. I believe. Yep. Very, very simple. So basically what you do in review, you hit, which button do you hit first? Go to configuration, go to time and date settings by turning the turning the menu select button, and then you punch, and there it is. So very simple, although there is no videos on YouTube of this. So we figured it out, and now here you go. Hope this helps. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Mostly a classic car restoration channel, but hopefully this will be to help to somebody. Thanks for watching.